I had a dream since I was a little boy of actually owning a ranch one day. And we found this piece of property, and we ended up buying it in 2007. We named it for my wife, Rhonda. This is our 50th wedding anniversary. She's the love of my life and my best friend and the mother of my children. She's just simply the best. And this ranch is simply the best for me.
Hello, my name is Rhonda Newhouse, and I am the Rhonda behind Rhonda Ranch. It is an honor and pleasure to be one of the owners of a ranch.
My name is Fred Newhouse. Here at Rhonda Ranch, we run a commercial cow-calf operation, meaning that we buy cows, breed them to whatever type of bull that we choose. In my case, we use primarily Angus bulls, and we raise the calf till they're big enough to go to the market, and we sell them into the beef production market. So when we bought the place here, the first thing I did was invite the district conservationist from the NRCS office here out to the ranch to talk to me about ways that we might improve our activity and how NRCS might help us.
My name is Floyd Nauls, Jr. I am a district conservationist with USDA NRCS. I've worked with NRCS for 26 years. I first started working with Fred and Rhonda back when they first obtained the property, and it has been a tremendous honor to be able to work with them.
NRCS came out and helped me establish objectives for the ranch, helped me with understanding the potential that the ranch has, and helped me in designing how the ranch would function to conserve the resources and maximize its potential simultaneously. So we've done that every year for the last 14 years.
Fred and Rhonda have actually implemented cross fencing, grass planting, watering facilities, and when I state watering facilities, we're talking about ponds, dam type as well as pit type ponds, some clover establishment, also including some enhancements because here at Rhonda Ranch they have participated in a number of EQIP programs as well as CSP.
I hear a lot of people say, you know, I really don't want the government in my business. They require a lot of stuff. I don't think I really need all of that stuff. And I found it just to be just the opposite. Now, they do require a lot of stuff, but there's a purpose to that stuff. There is a method to the madness. Being an engineer myself, I know that they didn't just come up with these ideas out of the blue sky and say, let's impose them on every American because we have the right to do it. It has a purpose. I found that every time I've listened to their advice and took their advice, it has paid dividends.
Well, working with Fred Newhouse, number one, it's an honor. I consider him to be a friend, a mentor. He is very open-minded. He is very giving, and he's just a great man to seek information and knowledge from. A lot of times we discuss his conservation plan and we discuss things we might not always see eye to eye, but at the end of the day, we're friends, we're both ranchers, and we look at it from the perspective of getting conservation implemented through our programs.
I come out and enjoy sitting out and watching my cattle, watching the horses, watching my grandkids fish in the ponds. That's rewarding, so I have the opportunity to see that.
I've only made two really good decisions in my life. The first one I made when I was about 9 years old, when I decided to make God my Savior. That has guided my values and guided my decisions. The second one I made is to marry Rhonda Marshall. She's been my wife, my lover, and my best friend for now 50 years. None of this would have been possible were it not for those two things. And it is truly a blessing for me. So if I had to leave something with the rest of the world, I'd say be guided by your values When you find the right mate, make it your life's passion. Make it your life's purpose to make it the best journey that two people could ever have. And all the other stuff will happen automatically.